Very first thing, let me start with thanking Shivani ji who started the satsang in Andheri. I thank you everybody for coming and being part of me. Thank you. Death. What do we understand by that? Do we fear death? Do we fear death?
Yes.
Is that death you are fearing?
Yes.
Or you're fearing the life?
Life, probably the life. Yes.
It's a
you're
life.
right.
Because
Yes.
life is something which we know. So normally we do not fear that because that is unknown. So it's a myth. If you feel that you fear that, you cannot fear that. That is a part of life. So it has to end. It's a full stop. And it is unknown. The day you know the death, you are enlightened. Knowing that is getting enlightened because that is something which is part of it. Most of the time we only know the life and we play with the life, we manipulate the life, and our suffering is because of the life. Our fears are because of the life, because life is something which we know, which we compare, which we see. Now why do we suffer? We all are suffering, directly, indirectly. If you think that you are not suffering, then you are lying or you are enlightened. If you are not suffering, you are enlightened. So what do we suffer? What do we suffer? What is attachment? If there is a life, there is a meaning to it. We suffer because we are given meaning to everything. We give meaning to everything. And when we give meaning, means we use word to, and that words are attachment. We are attached to the life. And we do not see the other part of the life, which is a continuation of life. We do not know two things. One is birth. Birth, only the people who know birth are women. Men, they do not know birth. Most of the men. If they know birth, they are wonderful parents. If the man, he knows what is birth, he is a wonderful parent. So normally women, they know what is birth because that pain, which is a very wonderful pain which they go through, and they have experienced what the birth is, which men don't experience. They experience only in the meditative state. And most of them don't meditate. Means meditation, I don't mean to sit and close the eyes and doing meditation. I mean being aware. That is meditation. Because every moment you experience the birth at that time. And similarly, the death, the pain which goes through. So you experience the death also in the same moment when you give birth. So both the moments are together. एक ही समय में दोनों काम करते हैं. You know, the pain and the happiness together, and you see both as one, as you can witness things how it went through. You know, that is what the Brahma stage is. You see things as they are, just both the things together as one, not as two part. Now we know life and we are suffering because we know only life, we do not know the death. So the introduction of meditation actually is knowing that in the life as a part of the life, not something which is, it can't be separate. That can't be separate, something which is beyond something. It's there. It's just there. Because every moment is dying, every moment is a new birth. So you are dying. So physical death bhi ho rahi hai every moment. It is said that every cell dies in 1 second, every cell is dying. Similarly, the cells are dying in the universe also. And every moment, the new cells are taking birth. In 7 years, the complete body is new. Because all the cells are reborn again. So it takes 7 years for the complete body to regenerate itself, which happens to you, which you cannot do. Only thing you can help it by being aware. Being aware means what you put in the mouth, what you listen, how you feel, what you think, because that is affecting your body. And that is whatever is affecting your body, it's affecting the universe also on the same level. Because if you're harming yourself, you're harming the universe. And that's why the suffering comes back to you. Because it is you. Everywhere it's you. But if you know life as separate and the death is separate, then you are living in duality. And any duality won't get you that oneness. So once we know life, it is very important for us to know the death also. Because if you know only life, you are going to suffer. Because then there will be expectations, there will be attachments. Because you are attached to life only. If there is attachment, it's attachment to life. The day you drop the attachment, that is that. So when can you have that? Right now. This is the moment you have to die. The learning is dying. The learning is how to die. Dying in this moment. That is dropping everything. Otherwise people say that drop things. आप छोड़ दो उसको. You cannot drop things. It gets dropped once you are aware. Because you know that it's harming you. It's not going to be with you. Because every moment everything is changing into new. The moment is new itself. Your body is new. The cells are changing. You are not the same old person. The skin is changing. It's getting older or it's getting younger. It's getting brighter. Everything. But our attachment to the physical things that keeps us, that gives you suffering. Does that mean we shouldn't have attachment?
Is it possible not to have attachment when you're attached to people in your life, or say daughter, son, mother, husband?
We mix up attachment and love. When we love, we let it grow. But when we are attached, we stop them. We stop their growth and our growth too. Because we come on the other side of the platform where we think that that person doesn't know and I can guide him or I can teach him or her. Because on this side you think you know. So that knowledge is life.
But isn't it love
That's
and
not love.
attachment go hand in hand? Like
No.
if you love somebody, the attachment doesn't it grow like with it?
See, once you love somebody, na, you grow and you let him grow. And automatically it grows. But once you are attached, then you are suffering and you make other people also suffer. Your attachment is not necessary, it is physical. But anything, like I am attached to the video camera. So it's physical, I am attached to a human being, I am attached to my wife. That's attachment, but that attachment becomes a thing. वो एक वस्तु हो जाती है. और जब वस्तु हो गई तो मेरी कंट्रोल पूरी उसके हाथ में चली जाती है. If suppose I love somebody and he loves me equally, then we have a freedom. We'll give each other freedom, space. If there is attachment, then I'll see to it that she or he behaves in one pattern which I like. So my liking is dependent on the opposite person. So my control is totally on the opposite person. वो मुझे खुश नहीं भी रख सकता है, वो मुझे खुश रख भी सकता है. मेरी खुशी उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है तो मैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड हूँ. मेरा दुख सुख उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है तो मैं पूरा उसके कब्जे में हूँ. That becomes with attachment. But when there is a love, it's okay.
Expectations also come.
हाँ,
But that is also another-
attachment ही है. You got it ना? So हमको कंट्रोल करता है. और would you like to be controlled? And what our husbands do most of the time, they control you because they think that you do not know. What the wife does to the husband, ट्रस्ट का सवाल ही है. मीन्स ट्रस्ट ही नहीं है, विश्वास ही नहीं है, तो वो कंट्रोल करेगी. वो जैसे 6 बजेगा निकले ऑफिस से, कहाँ पहुँचे, मंदिर गए हो, घंट सुनाओ, हॉर्न बजाओ गाड़ी में हो, तो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर वी हैव लर्नड ऑन आवर ओन. वी क्रिएट ट्रिक्स. कैसे कि सामने वाले को बेवकूफ़ ही समझते हैं हम कि उसको समझेगा ही नहीं. हम उसी तरह से जीते हैं बच्चों के साथ में भी. फिर बच्चे सामने बोलते हैं. We don't like that because we try to control, and in controlling हम उनके गुलाम हो जाते हैं. Totally गुलामी होती है 100%. So there is no freedom. So where there is no freedom, there is no spiritualism. Now tell me, what is your relation with the God? Is it life or is it the death? Is God alive or is God dead? What is God? Is alive or dead?
It's an energy.
हाँ, but it's alive or dead?
It's alive. It's alive. Energy is alive.
It's both as one. It both has one. Because there is no physical form to it. Where the form comes in, attachment comes in. Where the form goes off, the attachment goes off. Do you love air? You can breathe air, but do you say I love air? Then which air do you love? You love the air in Mahabaleshwar, you love the air in Bombay.
Yeah.
You feel, oh, it's so hot. When you go abroad, like people just come out a beautiful warm morning. हमको लगता है गर्मी होती है, AC कब चालू करें. Yeah? People start enjoying with the situation they are in. They're just there. Whatever comes, it's okay. You just enjoy the part because it's a part of you. It's a part of life. It's a part of universe. Everything is one. So you cannot hate anything. You cannot. So when you come in that stage of witnessing, when you enjoy whatever is, जो अभी है, वो perfect है. So I am calm. गुस्सा गया है, मैं upset नहीं हूँ. उसके बाद में मुझे जो भी करना है, with the peaceful mind, I'll take the actions. I'm not disturbed, so I'm not harming any cell of my body. And if I'm not harming inside, I will not harm outside also. If life is an existence, then that too is an existence. We cannot separate it. So do we die or do we take birth? How it is? पहले कौन सा है? पहले क्या आएगा?
You birth,
हाँ?
you take,
Die.
you
Till you
sorry,
do not die,
then you cannot
you
take a
cannot.
birth.
So,
Yeah. But then you take a birth, you take birth, you die. I mean,
yeah, that's a
they're
cycle.
both-
So they
yeah,
both
it's
are
a cycle.
end
Yeah.
same end of a circle.
Yeah, it's
They
a
are not two
cycle.
separate. एक
Yeah.
सर्कल की एक ही पॉइंट है जो दोनों है. So when you start living and that point comes, if you see in the circle, that point comes in the center. That's a point where you start living from, where you see everything as one. There cannot be two. So when there cannot be two, there cannot be God also. अगर God आ गया तो दो हो गए. डुअलिटी आ गई. डुअलिटी आ गई तो आप खो गए. और जहाँ पे डुअलिटी आएगी वहाँ पे यू हैव टू सरेंडर. जहाँ पे वननेस आ गया यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट. बट एट द एंड यू हैव टू लिव एज अ वन. बट व्हेन यू प्रे और व्हेन यू डू एनीथिंग इज जस्ट अ क्रियाकांड. देयर आर टू. गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट. डुअलिटी आएगी तो कंट्रोल आएगा कहीं भी. या तो आप बोलोगे कि वो उसकी मर्जी थी. सी दैट इज़ माई वीकनेस. दैट इफ़ आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, तो मेरे पास एक ही आदमी है जिसको मैं ब्लेम करूँगा. जिसको कोई नहीं जानता है, किसके हाथ में कुछ नहीं मालूम, तो वो बेस्ट है. ही इज़ you just blame him because you are not responsible human being. But if I take a responsibility, whatever I choose, we choose life. We do not choose death. And when I choose life and I fail to live my life perfectly, I fail because I am not responsible. There can't be any other reason. And what do I do if I fail in living? I'm not letting it go. I'm complaining. So when you live only life, you live only complaints. Duality create hogi. When you have complaints, means there is something else to complain for. You are not taking the responsibility. Getting this point? In one word, you can say the life is a day, a time of activity. You have to be active. All the time you're doing something. And night is to take rest. Now, sleep is rest. Do we enjoy sleep? So we enjoy rest basically, or we enjoy activity. Both. But if you are only doing activity, only living life, not dying, no resting, then how the life will be? Very hectic. You will be exhausted, you will be tired, you will be broken down maybe. You wouldn't know what to do. Even life you won't enjoy because there is no rest to life. आपको समझेगा भी नहीं because so much of activity in the mind, so much of physical activity, and without the rest it is exhausting. You do not know what to do in life. So you need rest. That rest is death. The longer rest is physical death. Where you just take it. You just go because you know now. The body is wrinkled. Now bones have gone. Your eyes are gone. Now ears are gone. A lot of people don't want to die. A lot of old people, they fear. Actually, they are not fearing death. They are fearing life. Marna nahi hai. But at the times, what happens? It's a wonderful nature that starts taking away one thing. आँख ले लिया, कान का सुनना कम कर दिया, हाँ? मगर माइंड में जो अटैचमेंट रहता है वो नहीं जाता है, माइंड का अटैचमेंट नहीं जाता है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द ओल्ड पीपल स्टार्ट गिविंग अप थिंग्स. थोड़ा मैच्योर्ड रहेगा ना, जो सम मैच्योर्ड ओल्ड पीपल, दे स्टार्ट गिविंग अप. दे नो अभी कुछ नहीं लेके जाना है. दे स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग देमसेल्फ फॉर द लास्ट मोमेंट. इट्स अ वंडरफुल मोमेंट. एंड दिस आर द पीपल हु रियली गेट मोक्षा. बट वंस यू आर अटैच्ड, you come back. So whoever comes back in a physical form, it's a thought. वो विचार वापस आता है, चेंज करके कपड़े बदल के नए कपड़े पहन के वापस आएगा. बिकॉज there's something which you thought I haven't completed, or you had attachment and you come back to fulfill that. So you come back. But once you do not have attachment, no desires, you're just happy with whatever is, you do not come back. So attachment, that people say don't desire things. I say desire the highest. सबसे बहुत सारा डिजायरमेंट, अटैचमेंट मत रखो उससे. नहीं हुआ ठीक है, हुआ वंडरफुल, चलते रहो. क्योंकि हुआ तो भी क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा, हुआ तो मैंने किया, दैट विल गोइंग टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम. Getting this point ना, sharing, you're giving the gift. It is a very simple thing. When you give birth to a child, you're just because lot of mothers हो here. So ये बच्चा मेरा है, ये अटैचमेंट है. मगर ये बच्चा पैदा करने के लिए मेरी बॉडी यूज़ की है, ये डिटैचमेंट है. देन योर ड्यूटी इज़ टू ट्रेन द चाइल्ड, मेक अ वंडरफुल चाइल्ड फॉर दिस यूनिवर्स. मगर हम बच्चा बनाते हैं, हमारे लिए क्या करेगा,
ये नहीं होना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए ना. ये हम करते हैं, ये बच्चा, हाँ ये हमको देखेगा, कमा के हाँ, वो प्लस एंड माइनस कि जो लड़का हुआ तो प्लस है कि घर में रहेगा, कमा के हमको देगा. लड़की हुई तो जाने तो उसको क्या है. हाँ, दैट जो है, दैट कांट बी परमानेंट, दैट हैज़ टू डाई ऑल द टाइम. अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि मैं ब्रह्मा हूँ, आई एम गॉड, तो मैं हूँ, ये घड़ी में मैं हूँ. नेक्स्ट घड़ी में अगर ये मेरा विचार नहीं है, आई एम नॉट प्रेजेंट, आई एम नॉट अवेयर, सो आई एम नॉट अ गॉड. सो इफ यू आर गॉड, यू आर इन दिस मोमेंट ओनली. इफ यू आर अवेयर, ओनली अवेयरनेस कैन मेक यू गॉड, कैन मेक यू लिव एज अ गॉड. हाउ इज लाइफ, कैसे रहती है आपकी ज़िंदगी? इज इट स्मूथ स्माइलिंग ऑल द टाइम? सफरिंग तो है. सफरिंग में और एक चीज़ होती है, अग्रेसिवनेस होता है. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ अग्रेसिवनेस.
दोनों चीज, it depends how we take. Yeah, I think life is beautiful.
It's beautiful. It is beautiful, but there is aggressiveness in the life. You see everywhere.
Aggressiveness is there.
So is aggressiveness beautiful?
At times, of course. Why not? If you have to aggressiveness, if you have to achieve something, suppose you have some aim, or you have to achieve that. In that, if you're aggressive, there's no harm in it, isn't there?
See, aggressiveness में you are not playing. You are playing to win. In aggressiveness, you are playing to win life. But when you are playing with love, you are already a winner. वहाँ पे aggressiveness नहीं होगी, but you are doing it because you are loving it. Attitude में फ़र्क आता है.
हाँ, attitude में हाँ.
तो वो attitude ही तकलीफ देती है ना, और कुछ भी नहीं है.
No, but if there is to achieve something, if you are aggressive,
Yeah, you cannot achieve till you do not love.
Yeah, but then
Why do
there
you
is
want to
a
achieve?
little bit of aggression is like in today's world. There's always, you are like, even if you are very timid, it doesn't work. You talk to people very, I've seen that, very gently, it doesn't work. If you're a little aggressive, then probably it works. That's the way.
See, अगर आपकी लैंग्वेज में अग्रेसिवनेस है, इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग.
हाँ.
आपके नेचर में अग्रेसिवनेस है, then it's a
that is
different thing.
harmful.
Because it is harmful. और हमारे नेचर में अग्रेसिवनेस है, क्योंकि हमको ट्रेनिंग ही मिली है. बचपन में चॉकलेट दिया गया, जब मम्मी ने बोला खा ले, नहीं तो कोई छीन लेगा, रख ले. दिस इज हाउ वी आर ट्रेन्ड. वी आर बीन ट्रेन्ड सेल्फिश. तो हम पाने के लिए करते हैं, बांटने के लिए नहीं करते हैं. इफ़ यू गेट समथिंग, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर ओनली योर सेल्फ. वहाँ पे आपको आप ग्रोथ ही नहीं देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज वेरी पर्सनल हो जाता है. सो व्हेन देयर इज लॉट ऑफ अग्रेसिवनेस, दैट इज लाइफ. But when the death comes into the aggressiveness, both together, then life becomes beautiful. Because when you're getting it, अब बांटते भी हो, लाते भी हो, and you grow. And in that, when the death comes in, you start including people in your life. You become bigger and bigger all the time. Because it doesn't matter. You just love people. You just grow. Growing, and you become big. If you see a life of anybody who is big, there is inclusion.
Sorry?
There is inclusion.
Inclusion.
क्योंकि अकेला आदमी कितना कर सकेगा. मेरी कैपेसिटी 24 आवर्स है, उसके ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Because that's only time I have. Now if I want to become bigger, so what I'll do? I'll hire her. I cannot hire her because she is not a sellable thing. So I hire her time. इनका समय खरीदता हूँ. अभी आज की तारीख में ऐसा होता है कि जब हम समय खरीदते हैं ना, तो वो जो हायर किया हुआ आदमी जिसका समय हायर किया है वो व्हाट्सएप पे रहता है ज़्यादा टाइम. He is on the Facebook or WhatsApp or something. So that responsibility is not there. Now I don't grow और मुझे मालूम है अब तो समय ऐसा ही चल रहा है. तो एक एक्सेप्टेंस भी है, मगर वो एक्सेप्टेंस नेगेटिव एक्सेप्टेंस है कि अब तो दुनिया खराब ही है, सब बेकारी है, सब ऐसे ही है. तो वेरी एक्टिव एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है, पैसिव है कि खराब है मगर मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया है. जब एक्टिव एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाएगी ना, तो यू विल सी टू इट दैट I change and you have to change. We go in a total same footstep, we walk together. So we all grow together. Then the growth comes. Because it is inclusion. What is searching? Seeking. Is it living or is it dying? हम लोग सब seekers हैं. We call ourselves कि हम भगवान को पाना चाहते हैं. Is it life or is it death? Both? What do you think? It's life. There is nothing to see. See, there is lot of misguidance given to us, whoever is giving. We won't name anybody, but there is a lot of misguidance that you have to seek something. If you are seeking something, there is something which is outside. You're looking for something. You're looking for happiness. Can you look for happiness? You can look for pleasures. When you look for happiness, you're looking for life. That means you are not happy. You are seeked. Only thing you have to be aware. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं? फिर आपको कोई माला दे देते हैं, कोई मूर्ति दे देते हैं, कोई किसको कुछ ना कुछ दे देते हैं. In one word you can say the life is promising the happiness and the death is fulfilling the happiness.
Life is promising.
The happiness and the death is fulfilling the happiness. That is home. घर जो है वो death है. Life is coming back and वो circle घूम के आना है. So you just have to go together and come back. You do not have to lose your center all the time. That is being aware. Just be there in the center and just be watchful. Witness everything. But when you see something else as not you, suffering will come in. Including the God. If you see the God as something else, your suffering will start. The day will come, you will blame him. कि तूने मेरे लिए क्या किया. वही अमिताभ वाले डायलॉग घंट बजा के कि मैं तेरे दरवाजे पे कभी नहीं आया, आज मांगता हूँ. Because there is something which is not you. There is nothing in the universe which is not you. Because everything is you. You are the center. If right now, if you see yourself in the universe, from the top, you will be in the center. Wherever you are, you will be always in the center. And center is always wonderful. That is where, and that is witnessing. What has God done for you? What has God done for you? Nothing. Has God given anything to you? But still, we can say He's giving everything. Because that nobodiness is there. And when there is nobody, then there is no boundary to it. उसको फेंसिंग नहीं आएगी, कोई बाउंड्री नहीं आएगी. But when I see myself as only Satish Kaku, you see a child how he talks. He doesn't say, he says like, if I'm a child, I'll say, Satish Kaku ko bhook lagi hai. You know? He sees himself as a separate identity. He witnesses himself that I am hungry. This person is hungry. It's such a wonderful thing to learn from a child. We forget that. Now the I has come. That ego has come. But when you say I, seeing that we are separate, and then we feed ourselves. We feed ourselves because we are feeding the universe. That is Havan. What we do Havan na, the concept of the Havan is that, you know, the जो कुंड बनाते हैं हम, तो कुंड है, that is universe. और उसमें 5 तत्व डालते हैं. We use water, अग्नि में 5 तत्व डालते हैं, ये सब जलाते हैं. तो ये अग्नि है, यहाँ पे हवन करना है, यहाँ पे सब डालना है. उसी तरह ये एक्सप्रेसिंग externally thankfulness to the universe, that is हवन. और हम सोचते हैं कि हवन किया अब वाइब्रेशन अच्छे हो जाएंगे. See how we live with thoughts. हमारी जानकारी कितनी है हवन के बारे में? How much do we know about the हवन? We do not know. How much does a bhajji who is doing havan, he knows about the havan? He does not know. How much a pujari knows about the God he is praying beside the mantras? He does not know. So if the aura is created with the havan, that aura will also stay there for some time, because ये सब 5 तत्व सब जगह पे है, वो उसमें मर्ज कर लेने वाले हैं, पूरी आकाश में फैल जाने वाला है वो. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे देयर परमानेंटली. हमारे घर में कोई साधु संत आता है तो हम कैसे बिहेव करते हैं? वी ट्रीट देम लाइक अ गॉड. व्हाई डू वी डू दैट? ही कम्स विथ हिज ऑरा and he goes with, he is going to take back his aura. He is not going. How much you catch and you keep it with you, that is up to you. So that you have to work hard, and that comes by being responsible. You just have to be responsible. Now it is my duty to take care, because nobody can do anything for you in the life besides you. कोई आपको मदद नहीं कर सकता है.
You have to help yourself.
हाँ, you have to help yourself. If I am helping somebody, if suppose like we are planning to start a home for aged, so I am not taking care of anybody else. I am just taking care of myself, because that other person is also me. He is part of me, and I have to take care of it, because right now that person is totally dependent. There is nobody to take care. So that's why I take care of only children and elderly people, क्योंकि उनको कोई नहीं है, उनको मदद की ज़रूरत है. Physically they need help to move, so you help them. So you help. That is how the world is. Would you like to die? Would you like to die?
Yes.
See, what we learn in Chakra Shuddhi,
Yeah.
that meditation, is we start from the base chakra, opening up the chakra and going out of the body. Last chakra is about the body. So last chakra is actually not a chakra. It's about the body. So when you go about the body, you are done. You are dead. You become a witness. From there the samadhi starts, the next step. So you have to. So you are healing yourself. So if you know the process, you know, and you have practiced your process through your life. So while dying, you know what is the process and how do you go out of the body. So peacefully you will be able to leave your body. You just go out. You enjoy the full process. In death, when you are dying, the body doesn't pain. All the pain subsides. Death is never painful. It's so wonderful. See, nature is such a beautiful thing. Everything subsides and peacefully normally you go. But your attachment don't leave you. Your attachments don't leave you. जो मेरा जो रहता है ना, वो नहीं छोड़ता. वहाँ छूटना है बस, और कुछ नहीं छूटना है. And this is the only reason we do not enjoy and celebrate our life also. We do not enjoy and celebrate because we do not let the things go. Letting the things go. In our thing also, it is celebration also. In Hinduism also, जो पिंड बनाते हैं,
हाँ,
पिंड बनाते हैं. What is that pind?
पिंड.
What is pind? You know what is pind? पिंड बनाते हैं. You have any idea?
आटे का बना होता है.
आटे का बनाते हैं. But what is that pind? 13th day पे बनाते हैं.
जो life-
It is said.
The life.
नहीं गर्भ बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
They make गर्भाशय. They make a गर्भाशय. That पिंड is गर्भाशय. They make a गर्भाशय and 13th day पे उसको बोलते हैं कि now you take a birth. You get into the गर्भाशय.
Yeah.
So it's a symbolic form.
Once you take this thing,
हाँ, go away,
you
like
you-
total detached. So now you got the life. So वो symbolically they make a pinda for them to come and get into a new garbha. So they let them go.
Yeah.
That cannot happen in the future. That can happen now. Because if it is happening in the future, it's going to trouble you. Because then you have an expectation कि आप plan करोगे. You cannot plan that. We have one life. We have never won that. We have manipulated life and we have done lot of जो भी बदमाशी करनी हमने लाइफ के साथ ही की है. करप्शन जो भी बोलो हमने लाइफ के साथ ही किया है. डेथ के साथ अभी तक हमने उसको पोल्यूट नहीं किया हुआ है. We have polluted our life. And our sufferings is only because we have polluted our life. We have not conquered the death. How do we know that this is life?
I mean,
This is not death.
we are experiencing everything. Touch.
How do we How do you experience this? How do you experience life?
Feelings, touch, emotions.
How does it happen to you?
Happens at different. Like if you pinch, you feel the pain. I mean,
You feel the
pain.
pin-
Like if
pinch.
you pinch, yeah.
you
there's
feel
a
the
pain.
pinch. You
Yeah.
feel the
Pain,
pinch over
whatever.
here, and you feel it over here also.
Yeah.
On the hands
Yeah.
also. Huh?
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale, exhale.
Yeah,
Inhaling is life,
Life,
exhaling is
exhaling
death.
That. Yes, very true.
yeah.
Physical form.
Yeah.
So how do you know? Because this is also physical. Pinching is also physical.